Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to set a custom counter duration in the Divi Number Counter module. By adjusting the animation duration, you can control the speed at which numbers count up, creating either a smooth, subtle effect or a more dramatic impact to match your design preferences. This feature is a great way to draw attention and boost engagement with your site's statistics or milestones. Let's get started. To set a custom counter duration in the Divi Number Counter module, one of the easiest methods is to use the counter duration option available through the Divi Booster plugin. This plugin provides a simple and effective way to control how quickly the number animation plays, allowing you to match the duration seamlessly to your design preferences. If you'd like to learn more about the Divi Booster plugin, check out the accompanying post linked in the description for additional details. To begin, open your page in the Divi Builder. Once you're inside, check if you already have a row with a single column. If not, go ahead and add one. Then open the module picker and search for the Number Counter module. Once you find it, click to add it directly to your page. This sets the foundation for customizing your number counter. Now that the Number Counter module is added, open its Settings panel. In the right-hand sidebar, you'll see a search bar labeled Search Settings. Simply type Counter Duration into this field. This will bring up the duration setting instantly, making it easy to locate and adjust. In the module settings, locate the Counter Duration field. This is where you can define the duration for your animation. Enter the value in milliseconds. For instance, if you type 5,000, the animation will play out over 5 seconds. This setting gives you full control over how fast or slow you'd like the counter to animate, allowing you to tailor it to your specific design needs. Once you're satisfied with the settings in your number counter module, don't forget to save your changes. Then, publish or update the page to make sure your modifications go live. This step ensures that your visitors will experience the updated, smoothly animating counter right on your website. After publishing your page, head over to the front end of your website to see the Number Counter module in action. Watch as the numbers animate at the speed you specified, creating a visually engaging effect for your site's statistics or milestones. It's a simple but impactful way to enhance your design. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily customize the counter duration in your Divi Number Counter module, tailoring it to perfectly complement your website's design and pacing. It's a simple way to enhance user engagement and bring your site's statistics to life.